Simon, tonight before the rooster crows, you will deny me 3 times.
Never. Even if everyone else walks away, I won't. I'll die for you if I have to.
Peter meant every word. His heart was loud, but fear whispers quietly. Jesus is arrested, beaten, dragged away, and Peter follows, but not too close.
Hey, you were with him. I've seen you before.
Me? No, you've got the wrong person.
First denial, not because Peter stopped loving Jesus, but because loving him suddenly felt dangerous.
Wait, you're one of his followers. I can tell by the way you talk.
I don't know the man!
Second denial, fear growing teeth, fear learning how to shout.
I swear, this one was with Jesus of Nazareth.
I said I don't know him!
Not anger, not disappointment, just a look. And Peter remembered the words, the warning, the love. Peter failed, but listen carefully. Jesus didn't replace him, didn't expose him, didn't cancel him. Later, Jesus would ask Peter only one question.
Peter, do
Do
you
you
love me?
love me?
Yes, Lord, you know I
Not
do.
why did you
Feed my
fail,
sheep.
but do you still love me?